We understand the mindset of the ultra-wealthy and the nouveau riche global community, and we focus exclusively on their incredibly complex and sophisticated asset management needs. Our multifamily office provides peace of mind to clients who are looking for stability, control, and privacy of their international assets with multi-generational goals in mind. We work with clients that require the very best and most comprehensive financial and tax expertise that goes far beyond standard wealth advisory services offered by traditional investment management firms. We are very different from traditional firms in the way we approach our clients' complex problems that might seem impossible to resolve at first glance. We specialize in managing risk and liquidity for clients who have multi-jurisdictional global presence and cannot find answers from their existing bankers. Our clients enjoy our team-based, multidisciplinary services such as international accounting, private banking, tax, insurance, estate planning, wealth advisory, public relations, education, technology, security, legal and philanthropic services that are too complex for their existing advisors to handle. Headquartered in New York City, we have extensive international capabilities serving professional athletes and entrepreneurs in 45 countries. Our clients enjoy absolute control and privacy of their global assets. What's more, we know how to fix our clients' biggest problems, no matter where they live, from New York City to Monte Carlo. We've got you covered. If you would like to be able to diversify internationally to be able to survive the current economic crisis, we invite you to give us a call today. If you think you have a problem that is too big to solve, call us right away to start a dialogue to see if we could help you solve your problem. After all, that's our biggest strength, solving our clients' biggest problems. And we think you will like us and the way we do business. We hope to meet you soon. Optimizing life since 1994.